Hey my beautiful roses, welcome back to my channel. We all dream of having that perfect skincare routine, like those girls on Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram with flawless, glowing skin. But the second you check their price tag, it's enough to make you give up. But what if I told you, you don't need to spend money to get beautiful skin like them? In this video, I'm going to be showing you a full DIY skincare glow-up routine that costs $0. Yep, no money spent, just pure home remedies that will have your skin looking like you're using expensive skincare. We'll be making our own cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and mask, all from simple ingredients you already have in your kitchen. And don't worry, these aren't just random home hacks. This skincare routine will actually work. It will cleanse, hydrate, and glow up your skin. So, grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's do this. Morning skincare routine. Step 1. DIY cleanser. Alright roses, the first thing you need in any skincare routine is a cleanser. We're going to be using oatmeal, honey, and turmeric. Oatmeal is a skincare hero. It is gentle, soothing, and perfect for all skin types, even sensitive skin. It's a natural cleanser that'll wash away dirt without stripping your skin. Here's how to make it. Grab plain oats. Not the maple brown sugar kind, okay? Put it in a cup, add a little water and honey, then mix. You can add a pinch of turmeric if you like. Cover it and store overnight in the refrigerator before using. Massage it on your face in circular motions for 60 seconds before rinsing off with water. This cleanser will glow up your skin and leave you completely obsessed. Next, level up your skincare with ice. Right after cleansing, grab an ice cube and rub it all over your face for about 30 seconds. This tightens your pores, reduces puffiness, and gives you that glow. If you have dark circles, hold the ice under your eyes for a few seconds. It's like a free eye lift. Step 2. DIY toner. Toner is important for face glow, and rice is perfect for this. Rice water is packed with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that brighten, tighten, and soften your skin. Here's how to make it. Rinse quarter cup of rice in water 3 times. After rinsing your rice, blend it with water and strain with a cheesecloth. Store it in a spray bottle or a jar. After cleansing, spray it on your face, pat it in, and let it air dry into your skin. This locks in hydration and preps your face for the next step. Pro tip: keep it in the fridge for a crispy cooling effect, perfect for puffiness or hot days. And make sure to make a new one after 7 days. Step 3. DIY moisturizer. Now, let's talk about the real queen of skincare, aloe vera. This plant is like that one friend who shows up with snacks, a hug, and a solution to all your problems. Got acne? Aloe's got your back. Redness? Aloe vera's already on it. Dry patches? Aloe saves the day. Instead of spending money on fancy serums, use aloe vera. It hydrates, heals, and makes your skin glow. Here's how to make your aloe vera moisturizer. If you've got an aloe plant at home, congratulations. You're basically a skincare farmer now. Grab a thick leaf, slice it off at the base, and dip it in water for 5 minutes. This will remove out that yellow goo. That stuff's bitter and can irritate your skin, so rinse it off well. Then, slice the leaf open and scrape out the clear gel inside. Blend this gel and strain it for a smooth texture. Store it in a jar in the fridge for up to a week. And what if I'm not a skincare farmer? No problem, grab a bottle of pure aloe vera gel. Check the ingredients. If it's got a paragraph of chemicals, put it back. We want 95 to 100% aloe. But fresh is always best, okay? Now here's how to use your aloe moisturizer. After toning, grab a pea-sized amount of gel and rub it onto your skin. Let it sink in like a hug for your face, and that's it. Important notice roses. Just because we can make our skincare doesn't mean you shouldn't use sunscreen. Sunscreen is super important for your skin because it protects you from the sun's UV rays that can damage your skin. So, please get a sunscreen. Now let's continue. Night skincare routine. Alright, beautiful roses. Nighttime is where the magic happens. While you're sleeping, your skin's out here doing its work, repairing, renewing, and getting ready to slay tomorrow. Step 1. DIY night cleanser. This time, we're going to be using honey, as our cleanser. Why honey? You might be wondering. Well, that's because honey is antibacterial. It fights acne, moisturizes, and gently exfoliates your skin. Here's how to use honey as a cleanser. Start with a dry face. Don't wet your face just yet. Honey needs to cling to dirt and oil to easily remove them. Apply honey to your face and massage it in for 60 seconds. Use lukewarm water to rinse your face. Pro tip, girls. Double cleanse with cleansers if you're a makeup girly. Honey alone might not remove your makeup. Plus, honey is non-comedogenic. It won't clog your pores. Just rinse it all off. It's safe to use. Step 2. DIY night toner. Okay, so this doesn't mean you can't use your rice toner at night, but we need a lot of options, and this is one of them. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that fight stress, and it shrinks your pores tighter fast. So let's make it. Pour hot, not boiling, water in a cup and dip a bag of green tea in it. Let it cool completely, if not you might burn your skin. You can use a cotton pad, squeeze out the excess, and gently rub it on your face. Or pour the cooled tea into a clean spray bottle and spray on your face. This tea will leave your face moisturized while you sleep. If you've got excess tea, freeze it. Pour the leftovers into ice trays and use them in the morning. Step 3. Vaseline eye and lip treatment. Applying Vaseline on your lips locks in moisture like a fortress. It adds hydration and seals your lips. Overnight, it'll melt away flakes and leave you with pillow-soft lips. And now for eye treatment. If you've got under eyes from late-night TikTok scrolling or stress crying over your finals, Vaseline's got your back. Dab a teeny tiny amount on your ring finger and pat it lightly under your eyes. It's like a blanket for your skin. It keeps the area hydrated and plump, so you wake up looking well-rested even if you only got 3 hours of sleep. DIY face mask. Now roses, this one is my favorite ever because you can't have a skincare routine without face mask. I'll be showing you 2 DIY face masks that are absolutely amazing for your skin. Green tea mask. For this, you'll need a used green tea bag. Tear open the green tea bag on your palm, add honey, mix well, and apply to your face for 15 minutes before rinse. Use this mask 3 times a week. It brightens, hydrates, and makes your skin super soft. Potato and milk mask. Boil a potato in a pot, mash it, and add milk to it. Mix it well, and apply it on your clean face. Leave it for 15 minutes before rinse. You can use this mask every other day. It will leave your skin smooth and radiant. And there you have it, roses. A full, $0 skincare routine that will have your skin looking expensive without spending any money. If you try any of these, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a glow up tip.